All right, during his news conference today, President Obama acknowledged that his own failed promise is giving heartburn to fellow Democrats. They're all hearing complaints from constituents about some of these canceled insurance policies, and many of those Democrats are now looking for a way out. With us now is Senate Democrat Bill Nelson of Florida. Senator Nelson, I'm wondering what your reaction is to the Obama announcement today.
Well, the Affordable Care Act is supposed to be about getting health insurance to people, not about taking it away. So I think what the president did today was the right thing. He had previously said, if you like your existing policy, even though it might be a subpar policy, which a lot of them are very subpar policies. I call them dog policies as the former insurance commissioner of Florida. But he said if you like it and you want to keep it, you can keep it. And that's what he affirmed today.
He said a lot of things that caught people's attention today. One of them was he essentially said, you know, who knew it was going to be so hard to buy insurance? And on the other part, that broken promise to people saying if you like your insurance, you'll get to keep it. He says he assumed that the provisions they would have in place would cover those people and that he didn't know there would be these problems. Well, isn't it his job to know these things? Aren't these exactly the types of things he probably should have known going into something this big?
Well, insurance is a very complicated subject. That's the toughest job I've ever had in public office. I was the insurance commissioner for 6 years. And what the Affordable Care Act is doing is giving insurance at an affordable price to some people, but those people who had a subpar policy, now they can get a policy that's a lot more comprehensive. That's what this issue is about, whether or not if you like your insurance, you can keep it. That's one issue. There are a lot of other issues, as you know.
The president talked a lot about his own personal role in this and his credibility. I want to listen to part of what he said.
I'm just going to keep on working as hard as I can around the priorities that the American people care about. And I think it's legitimate for them to expect me to have to win back some credibility on this health care law in particular and on a whole range of these issues in general. And, you know, that's on me.
How much do you think his credibility has been hurt with voters and also with congressional Democrats?
Well, first with the voters, I think it has been hurt, but this has been a series of stories over time with the rollout being so flawed on the actual website. But, you know, when this thing is up and working, and I believe it will be, and I think in the course of the next year you will see that it's working, all of this will be forgotten. Now, with fellow Democrats, you know, there have been communications problems back and forth, but we're all a part of the same family, and so we're going to see that this succeeds, and we're going to support the president for that.
All right, Senator Bill Nelson of Florida, we appreciate you joining us and your expertise as a former insurance commissioner. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.